In the mood to embody like the sexiest woman on the planet today is Megan Fox. This like shimmery eyeshadow look is my favorite look she's ever done. Literally, this red carpet makes me gay every time I look at it. It's definitely more on the natural side, so I'm finally gonna do something not full coverage, okay? Tapping away the skincare around my eyebrows with my micellar water because it helps the brow gel lay so much smoother. She has thin eyebrows, I do not. Push my brows more towards the side to try to make them a bit thinner. The Rare Beauty eyebrow gel is one of my favorites of all time. It never flakes on me and it has great hold. Her eyebrows are super arched, so I'm trying to carve out my brow with the arch like that. I usually do my brows more on the straight side, so this is fun. Okay, I think this is as arched as it's gonna get, and I'm kind of really loving it. Go ahead and go around my brows too, just to like really make sure I'm gonna keep them thin. Last time I did my own brows and I accidentally went too much, and I had like these style brows for a minute. Kind of missing that era, but I'm never plucking them, don't even ask. Mix brow pen just to fill them in the teeniest bit. This is the best eyebrow pen I've ever found, and it's affordable. I always do my eyes first, but with this look, she's really just wearing shimmer, so I'm gonna do it at the end. I got a brand new Stay Star Glow Super Glowy Gel. Her base is pretty natural and glowy. I low-key should have put this on before I carved out my brows, but it's okay. Some of my Kosas color corrector. I feel like this era Megan would have loved Kosas products. Never been a color corrector girly until I used this. Oh my god. It's gonna help us use less concealer later. Bit of the Makeup Forever skin tint. This is my favorite skin tint I've tried in so long. I use my hands to blend this in because it gives it the most natural finish. And like the warmth from your hands just blends it in like it is your skin. Anytime I want my makeup to be as natural as possible, I'll blend it in with my hands because you can't tell me that doesn't look like my skin. Just a little bit of this Flawless filter on my high points of my face. I really want to be glowy today. Use a brush for this part just to keep it kind of concentrated. These NYX little stick concealers are so bomb. Using this to cover up my little blemishes. My foundation brush to blend that in just to keep it dispersed and natural. She was even wearing contour at all. It was the teeniest bit, so I'm just gonna do one dot of my Rare Beauty contour. Patrick Ta brush to get in there and like sculpt some cheekbones. Nose contour wasn't a big thing back then, but I'm gonna take it and go into my crease a little bit just to sculpt my eye out. She's really only wearing shimmer for eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna use this to add something else back in there. Patrick Ta nose contour brush makes it so easy to get in there. She was wearing a really soft pinky blush, so I'm gonna use the House Labs and Glossy Hibiscus. I'm gonna go over it with my foundation brush. I'm really trying to keep this a natural base. Dupe a dollop of concealer. Megan has frecks too, and you can very much see hers in the photos, so I'm glad mine are popping through right now. The set not close to my under eye because I want the shimmer to stick to my concealer. Go right in here. Just wearing like a golden shimmer all over her lid and under her lower lash line. Too Faced Magic Sprinkles will be perfect for that. A little bit more sparklier than hers, but she wouldn't be mad at that. Again, I left my concealer wet so this would stick better. I have absolutely no fallout right now. Smaller packer brush and putting this on my lower lash line as well. Patting this on. When you swipe, it just kind of like flakes the glitter off your face. Celeb makeup artists back in the day were really winning. This makeup's so easy and you know they were getting paid bank. Always had a smudge black line, so I'm just kind of lining my upper lid. I'm gonna take a tiny pencil brush and just lightly smudge her out. Eyeliner was always messy, but we love that look. A little bit more shimmer kind of on top of it to tone it down. My waterline and my upper inner rim here. Lashes were super long and wispy, so I'm using the House Lab mascara because this is a very wispy vibe to it. I don't know if I like dark waterline anymore. I immediately feel like ugly with it. A little bit of this Huda Beauty shimmer from Pretty Grunge in this inner part right here. I want to brighten it up a bit. Oh, okay, now I'm feeling the fantasy a bit more. She needed a lighter gold shadow. Mario Skin Perfector in light medium. It has a little bit of a shimmer in it, using literally the tiniest amount. The Milani Luminoso blush is gonna give what we need it to. Hers was a teeny bit more on the pinky vibe, but I want something that's gonna blend in my skin tone more. Definitely think this is better than my Adriana recreation so far, but we got lips, so we'll see. Lips were really on the pinky side, so this is the Ilia Crown and Pinkette, I don't fucking know. I'm gonna kind of smudge it out because her lips aren't like super defined. I'm gonna go in with Mario Rich Mauve instead, the like pinky side. Mario lip gloss and rose water. I wish I knew what gloss she was using because it's stunning. I don't think I have anything like that. Set this in with the Charlotte airbrush. This is gonna bring some glow back. I think I did kind of a good job. I definitely don't look like her, but I do feel pretty sexy, not gonna lie. I think I might start doing shimmers all over the lid because this is really slay. You guys let me know what you think, and I hope I made you proud, Megan. She's never gonna see this.